Hey everyone, I'm Hassan Khan. Welcome back to All About AI, your go-to source for AI insights, strategies, and breakthroughs. Today, I'm going to show you something most creators and businesses haven't even heard about yet. LLM Visibility. If your content isn't showing up inside AI assistants like ChatGPT or Gemini, you're already losing traffic without realizing it. But here's the thing. A handful of small tweaks can put you ahead of 99% of your competitors. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal why most websites are practically invisible to AI right now, the 5 unexpected signals LLMs actually look for, and a real example where a single change made AI start citing a brand in just weeks. Let's dive in. Subscribe to All About AI and turn on the bell. You don't want to miss this series. Imagine you spend months creating the perfect article, but when someone asks ChatGPT about that topic, your content doesn't even exist. Instead, your competitor gets mentioned. Why? The surprising answer is that LLMs don't rank content the way Google does. They use an entirely different playbook, and unless you know it, you'll stay invisible. That's exactly what we're unpacking today, step by step, here at All About AI. Invisible to AI equals invisible to future search. Competitors win by default. Missed AI traffic equals missed growth. So what exactly is LLM visibility? It's the ability for your content to be discovered, understood, and cited by large language models. But here's the twist. Unlike SEO, where keywords and backlinks are the game, LLMs care more about something else. I'll reveal the 5 exact signals in a minute. But first, remember this. At All About AI, we call it the AI citation layer. If you're not optimized for it, you're invisible to the fastest growing search platforms on the planet. SEO equals keywords, backlinks. CTR LLM visibility equals schema, context, authority, freshness. Here's why this matters. More and more people aren't even opening Google anymore. They ask AI, which is the best tool, or who offers this service? And guess what? The AI doesn't always cite the biggest player. Sometimes it surfaces the one that fed it the right signals. I'll break those signals down in just a moment, but think about this. If your brand could be the default recommendation an LLM gives thousands of users every day, how much would that be worth to you? Would ChatGPT recommend you or your competitor? All right, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the 5 pillars of LLM visibility. These are exactly what we use at All About AI to get our content cited inside AI models. But pay attention, one of these pillars is often completely ignored, and it might be the reason your content isn't showing up. Let's see if you can spot it. Structured data and schema. The hidden language that tells AI what your content actually is. Semantic and contextual depth. AI loves context, not just keywords. Authoritativeness and citations. If the internet doesn't trust you, AI won't either. Freshness and indexing signals. Outdated info is ignored by LLMs. Internal linking and clusters. The secret pillar most skip, but it ties everything together. At All About AI, we implemented all 5, and within weeks, we saw our content start appearing in AI-generated answers. Imagine that happening for your brand. So how do you put this into action without getting overwhelmed? Here's your starter roadmap. Run a schema audit and see what's missing. Ask ChatGPT itself what questions people are asking in your niche. Then answer them in your content. Submit updates through Bing Webmaster Tools so AI sees your content fast. Share insights on Quora, Reddit, LinkedIn, places AI scrapes. Refresh your evergreen posts, even if you think they're fine. Here's the kicker. Do even 2 of these consistently, and you'll likely see AI start pulling from your site. Want the full checklist? Grab the free PDF in the description by All About AI. To wrap this up, LLM visibility isn't optional. It's the future of being found. The only question is, will the AI recommend your content or someone else's? If you found this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe to All About AI, and share this with a friend who's still stuck thinking SEO is enough. And let me ask you, which of the 5 pillars do you think is hardest for businesses to get right? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.